come to Boston.
Thank you for picking me up.
My fiance caught me cheating with her sister. So she threw me out the house, so I'm living with her sister.
That's some bullshit.
Are you serious?
You just made that. Don't worry about that.
You would have waited for me instead of cheating with another girl.
Francesca, he's a man.
So, where's your girl?
You have a girl when she is with you, and when she isn't, you don't have a girl.
I think I haven't seen you going all out to this extent in a long time. Say, whenever I'm ready to take you out.
I was just saying to myself that I wish you are as pretty on the inside as it shows on the outside. So that way, it'll be everlasting instead of evanescent.
I don't know if I should take that as a compliment, or if you think because I'm pretty I cannot be a good person.
Hi, Big Papi.
True.
You're not gonna invite me in, Papi?
I'm sorry, baby. But you broke the rule.
Things are just not the same anymore.
Oh, I see. That's why you treat me as if I'm your roommate instead of your husband.
You think that she's having an affair?
Never liked that bitch.
And your time is up. I'm sorry. See you too.